Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le féminin des adjectifs. We are going to learn the feminine of adjectives. Why do we need to know the feminine of adjectives? Well, yes, in French, every single thing has a gender, like either it is masculine or feminine. So the adjectives also, they are going to change according to the noun. Because if you are talking about masculine noun, then it would be a masculine adjective. But if it is a feminine noun, then the adjective also has to be feminine. So let's have a look to the rules. Règle générale, the general rule. Règle générale, the general rule. What do we add? We add E at the end of the adjective to make it feminine. How? Let's see. For example, brillant. Somebody is brilliant. Brillant. Il est brillant. Elle est brillante. Brillant. Brillante. The double L, the sound would be je. Brillante. Brillant, brillante. Charmant, charmant, charmante. Intelligent, intelligent, intelligente. So here it's a bit exceptional. We are reading the double L. We are pronouncing it. Intelligent, intelligente. Différent, différent, différente, différente. Il est différent, elle est différente. Patient, patient, patiente, patiente. Élégant, élégant, élégante. Joli, pretty, joli. Poli, polite, poli. We are just adding E at the end. But for the last two adjectives, joli and poli, the pronunciation is not changing. Just we are adding E at the end, but there is no difference in the pronunciation. Let's see a few examples. For example, you would say, le professeur est poli. Le professeur est poli. As you see, it's male. So we are not adding anything at the end of the adjective. But if we are talking about la maîtresse, the teacher, la maîtresse est élégante. La maîtresse est élégante. She is elegant. We are adding E at the end. Be careful for the pronunciation. Élégant, élégante. It is starting with vowel. So we are joining the letter T. Est élégante. La maîtresse est élégante. In case if the adjective is ending with E accent, in that case also we are adding one extra E to make it feminine. Marié, married. Il est marié, elle est mariée. He is married or she is married. Fâché, angry. Double E at the end. No difference in pronunciation, but we are adding the E at the end of the adjective if it becomes feminine. Doué, doué, same pronunciation, but we add E at the end. Énervé, énervé. Stressé, stressé, stressé. Occupé, occupé. Passionné, passionné. Fatigué, fatigué. So for example, you would say il est stressé, il est stressé, or elle est occupée, elle est occupée, occupée, elle est occupée. Sometimes the adjectives are already ending in E. In that case, we don't have to add extra E to make it feminine. It remains the same. In masculine and feminine, it is same. Like facile or difficile or dynamique, artistique, fantastique, sympathique, timide or sociable all these adjectives, you see they are already ending in E, so I don't have to change them into feminine, they will remain the same. For example, you would say, j'aime le français, c'est facile. J'aime le français, c'est facile. Or, je n'aime pas les mathématiques, c'est difficile. Or, you can say, mon papa est sociable. Mon papa est sociable. Ma maman est aussi sociable. Ma maman est aussi sociable. She's also social. Okay, now we see the adjectives that we add n at the end, ne. For example, if the adjective is ending in ien, en or on, when we are making it feminine, we are just going to double the n. Okay? So let's have a look. For example, bon, bonne. Mignon. Be careful, the sound of gn, it is n. So mignon, mignonne. Piéton, piétonne. Européen, européenne. Moyen, moyenne. Ancien, ancienne. Algérien, algérienne. The nationalities also, they are as an adjective. So we say algérien, algérienne. Canadien, canadienne. Tunisien, tunisienne. Then there are the adjectives that we add le at the end. Le, ajoute le à la fin. We add le at the end. For example, cruel, cruel. The pronunciation will remain the same. Cruel, cruel. Réel, réel. Artificiel, artificiel. Just the spellings are changing. Paternel, paternel. Paternel, maternal, we are just changing the letter P with and you can say like paternal, maternal. Éternel, mortel, traditionnel. And if the adjectives are ending in F, for example, sportif, sportive, v, sportif, sportive. Créatif, créative. Vif, vive. Positif, positive. Collectif, collective. Neuf, neuve. Now some they will say that neuf, it is a number, that it is number 9. But it is an adjective as well, and it has a feminine even. So neuf, neuve. Actif, active. Attentif, attentive. The next ones, they are ending in EUX. If the adjective is ending in EUX, it will change into EUSE, euse. For example, heureux, heureuse. Amoureux, amoureuse. Curieux, 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 curieuse. Dangereux, dangereuse. Furieux, furieuse. Courageux, courageuse. Joyeux, joyeux, joyeuse. Merveilleux, merveilleuse. Merveilleux, merveilleuse. Travailleur, travailleur, travailleuse. And travailleuse, travailleuse. So let's see a few examples. For example, you would say Sarah est amoureuse. Sarah est amoureuse. The T will join with the letter A. Ta est amoureuse. As Sarah is the name of a girl, so we would say Sarah est amoureuse. Aves est travailleur. Travailleur. Aves est travailleur. The adjectives which are ending in er, they are changing into ere. So we say air, cher, 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 fier, fier, léger, légère, 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 familier, familier, familière, étranger, 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 étrangère. Et voilà, il y a toujours des exceptions. It is not possible that we don't have the exceptions in French. So let's have a look to a few exceptions. Of course, I cannot put all the exceptions. It is impossible for me. But yes, a few we can see here. Like blanc, blanche, doux, douce, frais, 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 fraîche, fraîche, sec, sec, sèche, sec, sèche, faux, faux, fausse, fausse, favori, favori, favorite, gentil, gentil, gentille, gentille. Elle est gentille. Ma maîtresse est gentille. Gros, grosse, roux, rousse, nul, nul. Lent, lent, langue. Beau, belle. Nouveau, nouvelle. Vieux, vieux, vieille, vieille. Fou, folle, folle. C'était compliqué? Oui. Êtes-vous fatigué maintenant? You got tired? Êtes-vous fatigué? Moi aussi. Bon.